Out in the freezing silence of a forgotten junkyard, I found something that didn't belong there. A Toyota Land Cruiser, once known as one of the toughest off-road machines ever built. Now sitting abandoned, broken, and almost unrecognizable. The paint was gone. Rust had taken over. And whatever life it once had felt completely lost. Most people would walk away. But not me. Because this isn't just a car. It's a legend. And today, we're bringing it back to life. Up close, the damage was worse than expected. The engine was barely intact. The interior, completely destroyed. Cracked glass, bent metal, missing parts. It looked like someone had already tried to fix it. And failed. But I saw something different. Potential. So we chained it up. And pulled it out of the graveyard it had been stuck in for years. This was the beginning of a full resurrection. Back in the workshop, reality hit hard. This wasn't a simple repair. This was going to be a full teardown. Every bolt, every panel, every single component had to come off. The wheels came off first. Then the doors. The interior was stripped completely. Seat by seat, panel by panel. Until nothing was left but a skeleton. And then came the hardest part. The engine. Lifting it out revealed years of neglect. Oil leaks. Rust damage. Worn-out components. It wasn't just broken. It was dying. But not anymore. Once stripped, the real problem became clear. The frame was bent. If this wasn't fixed properly, the car would never drive straight again. So we mounted it to a frame machine. And slowly, carefully, pulled it back into shape. Next came cutting out the damaged metal. New panels were welded in. Sparks flying. Metal reshaped. Every inch rebuilt by hand. This wasn't just repair. This was reconstruction. The engine was completely disassembled. Every worn part replaced. Every surface cleaned. Piece by piece, we rebuilt its heart. Stronger. Cleaner. Better than before. With the structure restored, it was time to bring back the body. Sanding. Filling. Smoothing every surface. Hours of work. For a finish that had to be perfect. 5 o'clock, paint transformation. Then came the moment everything changed. Fresh paint. Layer by layer. A deep, rich finish returned to the Land Cruiser. From rust to reflection. From forgotten to flawless. Now it was time to bring everything back together. Engine installed. Suspension rebuilt. Interior restored. Every part returning to its place. Like it was always meant to be. And then, the moment of truth. After everything, would it start? Engine cranks. And just like that, it came back to life. From a rusted, abandoned shell to a fully restored legend. The Toyota Land Cruiser is back. If you enjoyed this transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because this is just the beginning.